Buddy, guess what time it is?
Woof.
Bath time! Buddy! Bath time, here we go! Look! Bubbles! Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Choo!
Bath time helps us get clean.
First, we wash our hands. How do we wash them? Scrub, 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 clean, clean. Don't forget the bubbles. Charlie! Bath time, scrub and shine. Wash, wash, rinse, rinse, everything's fine. Scrub, scrub, rinse, rinse, rinse. Clean and bath time is fun. Then good night. Look who came to bath time. Who? Duck. What's a duck say? Quack! Quack, 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 time quack, everyone. Buddy, do you want a bubble? Woo! Don't pop it. Bubble on your nose, where it goes, pop. Look how high. Higher. It's going to the ceiling. Up, 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 bubble fly. Up, 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 to the sky. Scrub, scrub, rinse, rinse. Wash, wash, clean, clean. Bath time, shine, shine. Clean little hands, clean little face. Now we're ready for a cozy place. We're clean and dry and cozy.
Wonderful. What comes next?
Bedtime.
That's right. Clean and dry, cozy and warm.
Bath time is all done. We're clean and ready for bed.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night. Woof.